going to explain how I did it. Okay, you can see I'm already in profits, huge profit already. So first of all, you go to your 4 hours time frame. Okay, let me remove this. You go to your 4 hours time frame. 4 hours had CSK sell. This is this candle is CSK sell. 4 hours H4. This candle is called H4 CSM sell. I mean, that's what happened there. H4 CSM sell. Okay, let me dive it down here. So place it here. So this is H4 CSM sell. The H4, that's the candle showing H4 CSM sell. So the reentry is here. The reentry is around here. So this is the reentry. This is the reentry for it. So I'm going to add text to it as well. Call it H4 reentry. Okay, so I'm actually trying to, where is the text? So that was actually the reentry. That's where the reentry is. I need to type it again. The H4 reentry. It's taking it so broad, far away. Anyway, that's the H4 reentry. Reentry is around here where I'm showing you the arrow. Then you go one time frame lower. One time frame lower has, what you'll be looking for is H1 extreme. So H1 extreme is around here. H1 extreme, it had EMA 50. It also had the extreme. My 5 was outside the Bollinger Band, and then also market closed back inside the Bollinger Band. So that was a clean extreme that confirmed that price was actually going to go down. Okay, so that's H1 extreme. Then you go for 15 minutes time frame for your entry. So what are you looking for in 15 minutes? You're looking for MHV. So market is now showing MLV here. This is, you're looking for MLV. This is extreme here. This is extreme here. 15 minutes extreme here. Then TPYG. Then market came out and could not break above this place. So this is the MLV. Market couldn't break above here, and so because it couldn't break above the Bollinger Band, it now dropped. That's why you see the excessive drop, and it really dropped for a long time. I'm still going to hold the trade because it's still going to go down for a long. So this is just an explanation on how to take trades using 4 hours CSM Reentry. 4 hours CSM Reentry. So this is how BBMA for OMA works. Thank you.